Hello, Propheticenze. Hello, sir. What happens?
Come on, get that from here. What's the meaning of that rubbish? Come on, remove that mic from my mouth.
Sorry, sir. It's just that I wanted to ask you a question. Sorry, sir.
Come on, get that from here.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Come. Ask me the question.
Okay, sir. It's just that I wanted to ask you the difference between hookup and ashawo.
This man has entered the tear gas.
See that last one again.
Ashawo.
Photo.
Chineke me. Wait, make I look at my members, then they here.
You only come.
You know, this is a serious matter in the community now.
Yes, sir.
This is a serious matter in the society. So I have to answer, I have to tackle the root of the problem.
Okay, sir.
So you said the difference between hookup and ashawo. This one is a small issue. But my brother, hookup people, hookup girls. They always book boats.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But ashawo, they always enter bike. In short, they enter bike every time.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Understand me?
Yes, sir.
Now, another difference, hookup, they always see them, they wear earpod.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But ashawo, they wear earpiece. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Hookup. They always.
I can get that there.
Are you feeling me now?
Yes, sir.
Are you feeling the anointing?
Yes, sir.
Hookup, they always use iPhones.
iPhone X.
You know the matter.
Yes, sir.
They always use iPhones. But ashawo, they have covenant with bottom phone.
I'm gonna post girls.
Hookup will always come to us for 3 days. And when they stay that, it's as if it's a 3 days prayer. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
They will stay for us 3 days where ashawo will come one day and go.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You understand me? When you want to know a hookup girl,
What am I trying to say?
she will always wear big clothes, a shirt that is bigger than her. And then they have a covenant to carry their shirt up.
Okay, I had this to carry it up, sir.
This.
You get it?
Okay, sir. Okay,
That's
sir.
covenant where ashawo can dress anyhow and come.
Okay,
You
sir.
understand me?
I don't like what I hate.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Come back here. I'm about to finish my point. Wait, but the one that's made me pass in this life is Olosho.
Sir, which one is Olosho, sir? Which one is Olosho?
Too much.
It's so heavy because that is obeying me. You understand me? It's obeying me. Olosho, these people, they don't call them. Once you call them one day, my brother, they are your wives. Just go to your house, they will know your mother the next day, know your father the next day, know your sister. It takes only a man of capability, ability, financial erectness.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You understand me? To state an Olosho. Are you hearing me now? Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
So Olosho, they have covenant of tying their bottom phone with rubber band.
Wow.
Have that covenant. So with these few points of mine, I'm here to convince you and not to confuse you that Olosho is the worst.